Hello, we are at 999 Bush, and this is apartment 201. So here we are coming in the front door of the unit. There's a beautiful round foyer. Off to the right, got a nice large coat closet, which also has the breaker box for the unit. Off to the left of this foyer is the first bedroom of two. This is the smaller of the two bedrooms. It will comfortably accommodate a queen-size bed. The windows here are facing west and get beautiful natural light. Okay, there's the electric wall-mounted heater for this room. And of course, a closet. The unit has beautiful, dark, stained hardwood floors throughout. When you come out of this first bedroom, there's another hall closet here. Okay, and then we have a beautiful updated bathroom. Mirrored vanity. Some cabinets here underneath the bathroom sink. Brand new tile here in the shower surround, and we are getting this tub resurfaced. So it'll be a lovely, brilliant white. Okay, passing back through the foyer, and here we are in the second larger bedroom. King size bed. Totally fine in here. This window here is also facing the Jones Street side of the building, which is a western exposure. And these bay windows are facing north, right up towards Nob Hill. Okay, have a large closet here. And this room also has an electric wall-mounted heater. Okay, living room. North-facing bay window, beautiful built-in cabinets, decorative fireplace, really pretty to look at, but not functional, okay? There's the electric wall-mounted heater for this room. And then when you pass through the living room, here is the kitchen. We have microwave, gas stove, fridge, marble countertops, nice black and white tile floor, all white cabinets. Beautiful updated kitchen. Okay, so that is 999 Bush, and this is apartment 201. This building does have a laundromat located down on the ground level. Okay, thanks so much for watching.